Hello everyone, welcome to this video series of obtaining valve performance coefficients through Autonomous Valve CFD app. In this video, we will have a look at the results generated for the simulations. This is the final stage of the process of obtaining valve performance coefficients through Autonomous Valve CFD. Once the simulation project is completed, you can see on the left tab all the individual stages are highlighted in blue color. This indicates that the simulation project has been completed successfully and we can view the results. Click on back. Now we come to the final stage, that is viewing the results. Now the final stage is the results. There are three types of results available. First is the qualitative ones, second is the quantitative ones, and finally the third is a compilation of the qualitative and quantitative in a form of report. Let's have a look at the quantitative results. The quantitative results are the performance data. Click on performance data. The results are available in two forms, gross data and net data. The difference between the two is that in the calculation of CV for gross data, the contribution of pressure drop in the pipes is included as well, while in the net data, the pressure drop is totally due to the valve body. You can select the option you desire. Below that we have the result summary, the CV performance curve, the KV performance curve, and finally the coefficient of hydrodynamic torque curve. To view the detailed results of the result summary, click on Detailed Results. A pop-up comes up in which you can see the results explained in detail. These are for each opening, the flow rate, the pressure drop, the flow coefficient, that is the CV and the KV, and at the end the hydrodynamic torque coefficient shown in detail. You can click on Export Result and a pop-up comes up in which it asks you to save the result summary in the form of a CSV file. This CSV file can be saved locally. In the other performance curve like the CV, KV and the CDT, you have a similar kind of options. Click on View and Export in any of the performance curve and you can see the performance curve shown in a form of a graph. You can hover at the points highlighted in the graph to view the values of data. Click on Export and there are options to export in terms of .csv and .png image format. The resolution of the graph can be adjusted as well. Click on Export to save the graph in the format selected previously. Next, we will see the qualitative results. The qualitative results are available in the form of the flow animation, the surface pressure, and the contour plots. Let's have a look at the flow animation. You can set the opening conditions, the variable type, to visualize the animation. The opening conditions visible are those which are simulated. Click on Apply and the flow animation is visible in the viewer. The other type of the qualitative results is the surface pressure. You can select the opening condition to visualize the surface pressure distribution along the wall geometry. Now the last of the qualitative results is the contour plots. Here you need to select the opening condition, the cut plane, and the variable you want to visualize in the contour plots. The contour plot is visible in the viewer. To aid in better visualization of qualitative results, we have some controls like the modal opacity. Users can set the values accordingly for better viewing. These are all the qualitative results available. The last type of results is the report. Click on report and a PDF is loaded. This PDF report is automatically generated at the end of the successful completion of the simulation project. The report houses all the results summary, the technical details of the CFD process. The report starts with an executive summary of the results that have been generated at the end of the simulation project. Next, you can have a look at all the technical CFD details used in this simulation project. At the end, we have the qualitative results of the contour plots for pressure and velocity. These are shown for all the angles that have been simulated. At the end, you have a summary which explains the highest CV value which has been obtained in the simulation project. You can also choose to download this PDF report. So that's it in this video of results stage. This is the final stage of the process of obtaining the wall performance coefficients.